Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvel. Since 1933, William W. Meyer and Sons Incorporated has been the name to count on for air equipment and bulk material process systems. 3 generations of the Meyer family have overseen the continuous innovation of commercial blowers, vacuums, and process conveying components, which are engineered to perform and built to last. Headquartered in their new 80,000 square foot Libertyville, Illinois facility, William W. Meyer and Sons builds industrial and contractor equipment in a lean-focused manufacturing environment. Meyer's dedicated employees, who span decades, take great pride in providing dependable products, services, and solutions of only the highest quality and value. When it comes to process system components, Meyer products are counted on in every critical application and industry, including food, pharmaceutical, power, cement, steel, and mining. Meyer's screw pumps, slide gates, rotary valves, and double flap valves are designed for the specific customer application. Meyer engineers customize system components to withstand the harshest wear and tear, corrosion, and material conveyance. Meyer's rugged insulation blowers are the ideal solution for contractors, providing green energy solutions. The removal vacuums improve profitability of any contractor involved in the remediation of contaminated and damaged insulation. Meyer's duct cleaning vacuums improve indoor air quality and are the ideal solutions for contractors who demand high performance in a small package. To learn what else William W. Meyer and Sons has to offer, visit its website at wmwmeyer.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.